Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the IN number 18 is for the condemnation of 879 days.
Right. He was sentenced to 7 years in prison.
Yes, my Lord.
Is he on bail or in custody?
No, Your Lordship, he is in custody.
He is in custody.
My Lord.
So, just want to hear the prosecution and then. Anybody appearing for the informant?
No, Your Lordship. As on today, no appearance has been made.
Okay. Notice has been served?
Yes, my Lord. Notice has been served. Notice is yet to be issued, my Lord.
Notice is yet to be issued,
I see,
Lordship.
I
On the last occasion, Lordship, I have sought before this Honorable Court to take further instruction, Lordship. Lordship, yesterday itself I received instruction, Lordship. I am allowed to file to the objection to the continuation of delay, Lordship.
Okay. And in the meantime, kindly take the steps on the respond number 2.
My Lord.
So that, because he is in custody also, and we need to decide this fast.
My Lord.
Perus, the last order dated 12/8/2025. The learned public prosecutor seeks some time to file a written reply based on objections in this interlocutory application, whereby the convict is seeking to file an appeal against his conviction and sentence, but there is a delay of 879 days. The prosecution may file its reply. The informant has been impleaded as respondent number 2. The petitioner, the applicant shall take steps for issuance of notice upon respondent number 2. Okay, you take the steps.
My Lord.
Okay. And regarding process of the service of notice, also at a later point, at the next stage, you can also assist by taking instructions. Through the you take steps through the police station.
My Lord.
Send it to the police station.
My
Then
Lord.
it will be fast.
Your Lordship.
Anything
Lordship,
else?
we are going to file a objection to the continuation of the
No, you take. We should after.
after 2 weeks, Lordship.
After 2, yeah, because
No,
he's
no.
in custody. List after 2 weeks. Let me fix a date. That will be better. July, August. Today is 26th. 9 September.
Your Lordship.
Is that okay?
My Lord.
9/9/2024.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
For motion, item number 2.
Anybody is appearing? Take it out after some time.
Same with 3. Same concept.
3 same.
Yeah, same concept.
Take it up after some time.
For motion from the supplementary cost list, item number 23.
May it please your Lordship.
Contempt petition.
Lordship, the instant petition has been filed for non-compliance of the order dated 24/6/2025, your Lordship, by the respondents, your Lordship. Your Lordship, you will find the order on page 10, annexure A, your Lordship.
Page 5.
Page 10, your Lordship. Lordship, the relevant portion, your Lordship.
Regularization, right?
Yes, your Lordship.
Direction for
regularization.
regularization.
Lordship.
The relevant portion is para. Can you help me with
Para
the para?
number 10, Your Lordship.
Para. Okay. You want to read it? You can read it in view of the above.
Your
You want to read it?
Lordship, if I may. In view of the above, the respondent authorities are directed to consider the case of the petitioner for regularization of his service in terms of the office memorandum dated 17/03/2015 and notification dated 05/03/2025, and take recent decision there
Fine.
on before the petitioner date of retirement. The decisions so taken shall be communicated to the petitioner forthwith. Further, if the petitioner is found eligible and his case is fit for regularization, necessary orders shall be passed so that he gets the benefit of regularization and consequential petitioner benefits. Your Lordship, here the petitioner here have reached the age of 60 on
Already.
July, Your Lordship.
Okay. So there was a, you appearing?
Lordship, I appear on behalf of the petitioner. Your Lordship, I respect.
No, not the petitioner.
So sorry, sir. I thought it is item number 22.
Oh, no, it's another matter. So
However,
today's motion,
yes, Your Lordship.
So
The petitioner
anybody-
is yet to be considered.
yes, that's true. But anybody appearing for the state can take instructions actually. So the order is fairly clear.
Yes, Your
right? And there was a specific direction to consider his case
His matter-
before his date of
Yes,
retirement.
and to communicate him
Communicate
the reason and the
So at this
decision as
stage, if none is appearing at the moment, we'll issue a notice.
well. Notice to be issued.
Yeah. The petitioner, Sri Kishaku, represented by learned counsel. Your good name, please.
I'm sorry, Your Lordship.
Please write down. Is invoking the contempt jurisdiction of this court under section 12 of the Contempt of Courts Act 1971, read with Article 215 of the Constitution of India, pointing out that the respondents are have not complied with the order dated 24/6/2025, passed in favor of the petitioner in WPC 109 of 2025. The pertinent direction is stated to be in para 10 regarding regularization, regarding consideration of regularization of the petitioner. It is submitted that the said order has not yet been compliant, and in the meantime, the petitioner has also retired from service. It is submitted that such act of the respondents constitutes contempt of the court. Issue notice upon the respondents to furnish their reply as to why contempt proceedings should not be drawn up with regard to alleged non-compliance. You have to, somebody will take notice.
Actually, notice be issued,
Yes,
Your
please,
Lordship.
I could have taken you. Steps of notice be taken. List after 3 weeks. 3 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
For motion, item number 24.
Malab, this
This is also contempt petition.
Malab,
Right.
page 8, WBC 82,
Right.
order dated 24/2/2025. In page 13 is this honorable court direction
Yeah.
to comply within 3 months from the date of the receipt of the order. So page 14 is service of the dishonorable court order dated,
Para 13, right?
my lord,
Para 13.
my lord.
So it was, the order is dated, no time frame was given, but it has not been.
Para
complied.
14, para 14.
Para 14. Similar, this is similar. The petitioner is agreed, right? The first paragraph you will be similar to the earlier order, right? It is heard learned counsel. It is submitted that by order dated 24/2/2025, passed by this court in WPC 82 of 2022. It was directed in para 14 that the petitioner shall be paid all the service benefits and ex gratia compensation in respect of our late husband as per applicable rules within a period of 3 months. It is submitted that due to non-compliance with the said order, the petitioner has come before this court contending that the same constitutes contempt. Issued notice upon the respondents. Steps of notice be taken.
My lord, let the notice go by normal service, by registered post, as well as I may be allowed to take by dusty.
All the three. Okay.
My lord.
It's not a problem for you. On the prayer of the learned counsel, the petitioner is permitted to take steps through registered post, usual course, as well as by dusty service.
My lord.
You file an affidavit compliance with regard
My
to
lord.
the dusty service.
My lord, much obliged.
List after 3 weeks. 3 weeks should do.
My lord,
List after 3 weeks.
much obliged.
For motion, item number 2.
May I please, Lordship?
Come.
Lordship,
Insurance.
Lordship,
Insurance matter.
Lordship, as per order dated of this Honorable Court, 14/8/2025,
Yeah, same.
Lordship, I was permitted to file my additional
Additional.
affidavit, yes, in terms of the delay condonation. Lordship, I have just filed this morning. However, in the additional affidavit, the applicant company's manager inadvertently just forgot to mention his phone number as it is required in the affidavit part.
It's required now.
Yes. Lordship, it is mentioned in the main affidavit of the delay. Lordship, considering that
In the additional affidavit.
no, in the main delay affidavit, it
It
is
is there.
mentioned, yes. Lordship, the company is not having any branch office in Dimapur district. It is only located at Gauhati. So considering the distance, Lordship, if your Lordship, with your Lordship's leave, if I may be permitted to file it, Lordship.
Which one? The additional.
The additional affidavit,
You
Lordship.
file it. It is. The phone number is there in the main.
In the main I, it is there,
That
Lordship.
will be in that. Mr. Devnath,
Lordship.
peruse the last order dated 14/8. Sri Devnath, learned counsel for the applicant insurance company submits that in the additional affidavit, inadvertently, the manager, the company official, forgot to put the phone number, comma, which however is available, which however has been written in the main petition, and that as the nearest office of the company is at Gauhati, comma, the applicant seeks permission to file the additional affidavit in that form. Prayer is allowed. Right? You file it. And notice has gone to the claimant?
No, not yet, Lordship.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Sure, on this interlocutory application, let us, we can
Lordship. Lordship.
take that process also. Save you time.
Lordship. Lordship.
In the meantime, steps of notice upon the sole respondent must be.
Lordship.
Sole respondent / claimant may be taken.
Lordship.
List after.
Lordship, 3 weeks. Lordship, same order can be passed, Lordship, in item number 3 also.
3 also.
Lordship.
List after 3 weeks. The next item 3 also same one.
For admission, item number 4.
Respondents? Yes.
May I please, my Lord? Lordship, I am making a mention on behalf of additional V. Shokre. Lordship, if 3 weeks' time can kindly be granted to receive the necessary instruction, if she is in.
Just a minute. All the services complete?
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is complete. Just have a look at the cost item. Okay, only one respondent.
Yes, only solution.
Then you want to take instructions?
Yes.
Take the instructions, but let us also speed up this proceeding.
Lordship.
Isn't it? Learned Counsel, your good name, please.
N. Angambi stand appearing on behalf of V. Shokre.
6, you're seeking 3 weeks' time.
3 weeks.
3 weeks' time. Any?
I have no objection.
No objection. Fair enough. 6, 3 weeks' time to take instructions for filing a reply. The learned petitioner counsel fairly submits her no objection. Prayer is allowed. List after, let's fix a date, that will be better.
The Lordship.
Let's, after 3 weeks would be 26, 16 or 17 September, right? Let it be on 17/9 or
17 is a Wednesday. It's a division bench.
oh, I see. I'm not sure. No, you choose as per your convenience.
Yes. On 18, then your
Mutual
Lordship.
convenience.
18.
18? 18/9.
I'm deeply obliged.
Welcome.
For admission, item number 5.
May I please your Lordship? I'm appearing for respondent number 4, Lordship. I have sent for obtaining signature to file the affidavit in opposition, Lordship. So I may be given 3 weeks' time, Lordship.
Just a minute. Not an issue, not a problem. 4 respondents, right?
Respondent number 4, Lordship.
You are appearing for respondent number 4.
Lordship.
Private.
Private respondent,
private
Lordship.
Are you, any idea, 1, 2, 3 has appeared? Yes. You have appeared. 1, 2, 3, state respondents. Petitioner, nobody is here. Petitioner. Probably she is not ready. You want to appear for this? Anyone appearing for, yes, you are appearing for this. Have you filed any reply already? Learned counsel, so representing state respondents, within bracket, respond number 1, 2, and 3, submits that affidavit has already been filed. Learned counsel, good
Apila Sankam, Lordship.
appearing for respond number 4, 3 weeks time or 2 weeks time?
Lordship, 3 weeks' time.
3 weeks time to file a reply. Anything you want to say?
No, I have no objection.
Learned counsel, for the petitioner is represented today by learned counsel, so who fairly submits her no objection. The prayer is allowed. Let this be also on. Can it be on 18/9?
15, Lordship.
15 you
Lordship.
prefer? No
15
problem.
September.
No problem. 15 September.
Lordship, Lordship.
15/9.
Oblige, Lordship.
For admission, item number 6.
My please, Lordship. Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, the 2 petitioners, they are
It's a repetition, right?
Lordship. Lordship, here the petitioners, Lordship, have approached this honorable court for seeking for service regulation as per the standing OM 17/3/2015, which laid down that a work charge on scale, if it completed 30 years on service, their service be regularized. So on the basis of that, the petitioner had approached this honorable court. And the well pending application, petitioner number 2 service has been regularized. where the regulation order has been enclosed in the.
Petitioner number 2 already regularized.
Yes, yes. They have enclosed my regulation order in the affidavit in opposition of the state. And then regarding petition number 1, they have stated in their affidavit in opposition of para 2 and 3 that my name has been forwarded to government authority for
Consideration.
yes, yes. So in that case, Your Lordship, I don't want to press the petition no more. So I pray that if the states are yet to consider my case as per the OM, so it may be disposed of by granting a specific time period.
Well, let me.
Yes, Lordship.
So,
But if Lordship, if sufficient time may be granted, Lordship, since there are lengthy process.
this third, as you know, the governing law on regulation is the Uma Devi case, right?
Yes, Lord.
So it's a long, very old case now. But the office memorandum, 30 years service, and it's,
Yes, Lord.
it's being
As per your
regularized,
law.
right?
Yes, Lord.
So, okay, so I think, don't you think it will be a better idea to keep it pending until you get your order?
Lordship,
On it,
I'll lead to the court, but then my only prayer is that if the states are, they have stated in their affidavit saying that I will be considered, so sufficient time may be granted for considering my case.
and I can dispose it of.
Lordship.
Kindly help me with your affidavit, that relevant paragraph.
Yes, Lord. Paragraph 2 and 3, Lordship.
Paragraph?
2 and 3, Lordship.
All right. It can be disposed of on those lines. So, so have a seat, I'll dictate. Writ petition 173. Okay. The two petitioners, namely so and so and so and so, being petitioner number 1 and 2 respectively, have preferred the instant writ petition, invoking Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Agreed by non-consideration of their representations dated 24/6/2024, submitted to the learned chief engineer, PHED, Nagaland, Kohima. And the petitioners are also are seeking regularization of their services as per provision number 1 of the office memorandum dated 17/3/2015. The copy of the said memorandum of the government of Nagaland dated 17/3/2015 has been annexed with the writ petition as Annexer 4 at page 20. The post will be personal to them, right? The post will be personal. That means once they retire, it will be gone. The office member, it has been, it's pointed out by the learned counsel, Sri so-and-so, that the office memorandum lays down the rules and guidelines regarding regularization of existing work charged and casual employees of various departments who are enjoying scale pay and who have completed 30 years or more of continuous service as on 1/1/2015. Various other stipulations regarding such a process of regularization have been laid down. In this regard, one 1D, 1D and 1F may be reproduced herein below. Okay, we'll just reproduce this. It is also stipulated that all those work charge and casual employees found eligible, their cases for regularization will be taken up in 2 batches on 1st July and 1st January every year in terms of the office memorandum. The 4 state respondents represented by additional government and advocate, government,
Yes, Lordship. One advocate.
so and so, have filed an affidavit in opposition. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in the meantime, the petitioner number 2 has already been regularized in terms of the OM, the aforesaid OM dated 17/3/2015, and that the process with regard to petitioner number 1, namely so and so, can you write the name also, is under process, and the same also finds mention in the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. In this context, both the learned counsels draw my attention to para 2 of the affidavit in opposition. It is stated that by office order dated 13/9/2024, petitioner number 2, namely the services of petitioner number 2, namely so and so, has been regularized against the post created by ... and leave from there. Full sentence, right? On the basis of para 3 of the affidavit, it is contended on behalf of the state respondents that the said process of regularization has to undergo certain stages such as PNR clearance, finance clearance, MRC and cabinet approval. You will find it in this lifted. And therefore, the process with regard to petitioner number 1 could not be completed as yet, and that the same shall be done so in terms of the procedures. The learned counsel for the petitioner fairly submits that in the backdrop of the aforesaid developments, perhaps this writ petition can be disposed of with a direction for taking the process of petitioner number 1 to the logical conclusion within a reasonable time. Fine? Upon perusing the materials referred to above and giving my consideration to the matter, I find force in the contention of the petitioner. Accordingly, the case for regularization of petitioner number 1, namely so and so, kindly give the name also, in the concerned department shall also be considered in terms of the OM dated 17/3/2015 and the process completed. You want how much, if I stipulate a period, what would
6 months time.
6 months?
Yes, Lord.
Within a period of 6 months. The writ petition stands allowed and disposed of on the aforesaid terms.
Obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 7.
Your Lordship, I'm for the private respondent number 3.
Okay.
And my senior is currently in bereavement, so if the matter may come up after 2 weeks.
Okay. Your senior has not come today? Okay. Anybody who's appearing for the petition? No issues, but I'm just asking who's appearing? M. Begum. You are challenging a notice, the petitioner is challenging a notice by police. Oh, I see. This is item number 7. None appears today on behalf of the petitioner. Learned counsel, so and so, appearing on behalf of respondent number 3, private respondent, 6, sometime 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks time, as 2 weeks time. You will file a reply.
No, we won't be filing the counter.
Okay, you will not file. It's 2 weeks time. As the learned leading counsel has some personal difficulty today. Good stuff. PP is appearing on behalf of
The concerned PP is in the other court. Your
other
Lordship.
court? Oh, okay. The respondent number 1 and 2 is represented by the public prosecutor. He's filing a, you are the informant. You are the informant in the case. Informant in the case. So he's agreed by a notice of appearance. Anyway. The prayer is allowed at least after 2 weeks. You want me to fix a date or just like that? No, sir.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 8.
May please, Your Lordship. Actually, the PP might be in the other court, Your Lordship.
Oh, this is 8.
Yes, my lord.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, my lord.
You are for the petitioner?
My lord.
Number 9.
Your Lordship, there was a communication gap and therefore the city could not able to furnish to me. So if this matter can come this Thursday.
No problem.
Yes.
Case diary is not yet received. Case diary is not yet received. Learned PP submits that the matter can be fixed on Thursday this week. Fixed on, what will be the date, madam?
28th,
28.
my lord.
Fixed on 28/8, 2002.
Your Lordship, this case is similar with item 11, same FIR, Your Lordship. So it can come together. Item 11.
11, same FIR.
Much
Fixed on
obliged.
28/8.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 8.
May it please, my lord. Lordship, this is a POXO matter. If the audio can be muted.
Lordship, here the respondent has sought 1 week time to file their Vaklanama. Is it another 1 week? Lordship, it may be noted that on the last 2 occasions they have prayed for time to file the Vaklanama.
Pending at this stage, right?
It's a contempt case.
You are representing all the respondents?
All the respondents.
All respondents.
I'm not saying I will represent all, but I have delivered it to the president.
Okay,
Not
we have
this
instruction, no issues, yeah, instructions will be convenient. Learned counsel appears on behalf of the 5 respondent / contemners impleaded in this petition. Learned counsel for the petitioner.
I Jamil.
Submits that earlier dates have already been, some time has already elapsed at the stage of taking instructions. The learned counsel for the respondents, how much time would you?
3 weeks, at least 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes, most of them are not outside the state.
It's true, but he's also right. But what was the notional benefits, the writ petition?
Lordship, our offer of appointment were cancelled due to the mismatch of domicile in the application form and in their domicile certificate. So court has directed to induct back in their service.
Okay. Specific direction.
Forthwith. Not specific time, but forthwith, immediately.
Forthwith means immediately.
Immediately, Lordship.
Definitely.
And it was passed on 21/5/2024.
Quite a long time. Kindly take the instructions, right? The counsel for the respondent seeks 3 weeks time. It is pointed out by the learned petitioner counsel that in the concern order, judgment and order dated 21/5/2024, the reliefs were directed to be granted to the writ petitioners forthwith. The respondent sides the learned counsel for the respondent shall take the instructions expeditiously and file reply if any on or before the next date. List after 3 weeks on. Should we fix a date?
Lordship,
Maybe better. 1, 2, 3.
11th.
15th or 16th? 16, 18.
16, Lordship, let it be 16.
16? 16/9.
For admission, item numbers 12 and 13.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here the senior counsel who is arguing for this matter is presently in bereavement. So I pray that this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
Review.
Yes.
In the IA, right?
Yes, we have filed our counter in the IA.
Learned counsel for the applicant submits that the learned leading counsel is suffering from a bereavement, and therefore, how much time would you need?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time.
I'm for the respondent.
Oh, you're for the respondent. So, respond number?
For all the respondent.
All the respondents. Just a minute. There's a review petition.
Yes. The condemnation is yet to be heard.
Can you help me with this? Cost title. Respond number?
For all the respondents.
All the respondents. There are quite a few of them. How many respondents? 100?
Altogether 98.
98 respondents. Land Council for all the 98 respondents. Rest will be same. Seeking adjournment to leading council. How much time would you prefer?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time. With 6 adjournment for 2 weeks. The prayer is allowed. Petitioner, you are appearing?
Yes.
Yeah, applicant.
Yes, applicant.
List after 2 weeks. Date? No. List after 2 weeks.
Much
All right. Oh, this has come out. Please
Your Lordship,
put it inside.
I beg your Lordship indulgence in item 8. Instead of Friday, let it be on Monday, next Monday.
Okay, no problem. The council is there.
Yes. We have also.
We had fixed it on
Monday.
Monday.
Next Monday.
Originally, we had fixed it on Friday.
Friday, yes.
29th, that item number 8. Instead of, it will be on, I think, 1st September. 1st September.
Obliged.
My lord, I may also be granted the liberty to file an additional affidavit. I want to place a document which I have annexed in the original bail application, which was rejected before the trial court. But inadvertently in my application here, I have not annexed it.
Petitioner Council seeks to file an additional affidavit in the meantime. It's prayer allowed.
My lord, I'll file it by tomorrow. Deeply obliged.
For orders, item number 14.
First time.
Lordship, by order dated 17 July 2025, I was directed to take steps upon the respondent number 1, the sole respondent, through the jurisdictional magistrate as provided under Rule 39 of the Gauhati High Court rules. In compliance of the order, I have taken steps on 23rd of July.
Okay, just a minute. The Learned Council, Zamir, draws my attention to order dated 17/7/2025 and submits that pursuant thereof, steps for notice has been taken accordingly. It is served now? Is it served? You have taken the steps?
Yes, through the Deputy Registrar of this High Court.
Okay, you have taken the steps?
Yes, Lordship.
So we have to await service report?
Yes, Lordship.
Service report may be awaited. List after, say?
3 weeks, Lordship.
3-4 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
For orders, item number 15.
May I please, Your Lordship? May I please, Your Lordship?
Yeah, please.
Your Lordship, here the present contempt petition was filed for non-compliance of this Honorable Court dated 27 June 2024 for compassionate appointment.
Okay.
Your Lordship, however, by order dated 30th August 2025, Your Lordship, can you allow me to please refer, Your Lordship?
Yeah.
Your Lordship,
yeah.
By this order, the petitioner was appointed as Jobashi.
Okay.
Your Lordship.
Which you were seeking.
Yes, yes, my Lord.
Yeah.
Yes, Your Lordship, the order passed on dated 27th 6 2024 in the WPC 80 of 2023 is already complied with, Your Lordship.
It's complied with?
Yes, Your Lordship, and therefore this content will be closed now.
The petitioner had filed the instant contempt petition under the section so and so, the contempt court. Read with, sit down, take 5 minutes. Read with Article 215 of the Constitution of India alleging willful disobedience of the order passed by this court dated 27/6/2024 in WPC 80 of 2023. Have a look at this. Whereby in para 10 of the said judgment and order, the respondents were directed to consider the case of the petitioner for compassionate appointment along with other eligible candidates in terms of the OM dated 17/9/2015 as expeditiously as possible and at any rate within an outer limit of 3 months from the date of receipt of certified copy of the order. Full stop. Even time limit has been followed, right? Time limit. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in the meantime, by the order dated 13/8/2025, the case of the petitioner C. Chingo Kongya for compassionate appointment has been positively considered and he has already been appointed by the said order in the post of Dobashi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Dobashi,
Grade
grade
two,
2, under the scheme of compassionate appointment. Full stop. In this backdrop, learned counsel for the respondents, only one?
Four respondents.
For the four respondents?
Yes, I am representing respondent number 1.
Okay.
Then I'm coming for respondent number 1. I'm agreeing for respondent number 3.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 6, Lordship.
6. And 1, 2, 4, and 5, you are representing?
No, Lordship, I
only
think I was representing only for respondent number 1.
Or respondent number 1?
Yes, but the direction is to the deputy commissioner who is the respondent number 6, Your Lordship.
I see.
So that has already been complied with.
Okay. Nobody has appeared on behalf of respondent number 6?
Yes.
You have appeared?
Yes, Lordship.
Learned counsel, counsels so and so appears on behalf of the respondents. It is submitted that in view of the above development, the content may be closed. Full stop. Next paragraph, I'll just write one line. It's well settled that the exercise of contempt jurisdiction is not really for not really a mode of execution of the orders of the court, and the issue of contempt, if any, after being pointed out by a petitioner, lies between the court and the alleged contemnor. Next, nevertheless, in view of the aforesaid developments noted above, it would be just and fair as well to close this contempt proceeding, and accordingly the instant contempt proceeding stands closed and disposed of on the aforesaid terms.
For orders, item number 16.
Please, Your Worship. Your Worship, I would like to make a mention on behalf of my senior, Mr. Joshua Shefe. We are yet to file our affidavit in opposition, so if 3 months' time.
You want some time? Petitioner, nobody has appeared.
And for the respondent.
Yeah, I understand.
We have taken the consent of the petitioners as well.
Okay, that's why they have not appeared. You are for the respondent number 1?
Yes.
Main. Others are pro forma respondent. Learned counsel, so and so, appearing for respondent number 1. Seek some time for taking instructions.
3 weeks' time.
3 weeks' time for taking instruction and filing of a reply affidavit, if any.
Affidavit in opposition.
Opposition, if any. It is submitted that The learned counsel for the petitioner has been informed about this prayer. Prayer is allowed. List after 3 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
For hearing, item number 17.
Lordship, I beg my Lord's indulgence. Before the hearing matters are called up, Lordship, if I may be kindly allowed to make a mention for hearing item 20, the opposite counsel has informed that she will be having difficulties today, my Lord, which is why this is a consensus prayer that
No issues.
it can kindly be listed after 3 weeks, my Lord.
No problem. Item 20. Right?
Item 20.
Learned counsel, with the consent of the other side. No, you are not seeking. She is.
My Lord, it is a consensus prayer.
The learned counsels on both the sides seek some accommodation with regard to the hearing and prays for another date, which is allowed.
3 weeks, my Lord.
List after 3 weeks,
my Lord,
as prayed for.
I am deeply obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21. We'll be filing our affidavit in reply during the course of the day.
Okay.
List the matter for hearing during the usual course.
Okay. You are for the applicant?
Yes, Your Lordship.
For the applicant?
Petitioner.
For the petitioner. Learned counsel, so appearing for the petitioner, submits that they are in the process of filing an affidavit and seeks an adjournment of the hearing for the day with a prayer for listing it after 3 weeks, you say? 2 weeks? 3 weeks. I might have missed. 3 weeks. After a prayer for listing it after 3 weeks, which is allowed. List after 3 weeks in usual course. 21.
My Lord, allow me to mention item number 19. Here I am for respondent number 4.
Okay.
If this can be adjourned for
taken up another day.
Yes.
You're for the petitioner. You want
I've
to
taken
do
the consent
You want
of
to
the
do.
parties.
You want another day. You want to do it today? No. Another date. Learned counsel for item 19. For respond number 5, he said 4. 4. 6 submits that he would like to do the hearing another day. The petitioner counsel fairly submits no objection. After how long?
3 weeks.
List for hearing after 3 weeks.
There is an interim, Your Lordship.
There's an interim order upstate. It is pointed out that there is an interim order of stay. The same shall continue till the next date of listing. Right? What kind of stay? Status quo. Status quo. Interim order of stay within bracket in the nature of status quo. Just helps for reference.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item 18, Lordship. Lordship, if this matter can come up after 1 week, Lordship. Lordship, here I need to seek some instruction.
You want to do it after a week? You are for
18.
For the state, Your Lordship.
You are for the state.
1 week.
Learned counsel for the petitioner prays that this hearing matter may be posted after a week as some instructions are required to be taken. Prayer is allowed. Least after, let us fix it after 2 weeks. So that there's some, you can take the instructions properly. Right? 20 matter, but however. But anyway, at least after 10 days, it will be somewhere in between.
Much obliged.
Thank you, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 17. Lordship, I've taken the consent of the opposite party state if the matter can come up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
That's okay. But one thing, I was just having a look at the file. I could not read it, of course, the voluminous file. Don't you think a paper book would be of great help? No? Paper book. Can we have a paper book? Because I think it will be very convenient for all of us. Like yesterday, we had a nice paper book for the POCSO IP. It was very convenient. So because it's an old matter and their depositions are also there, so they will be able to make it if okay. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that possible the hearing may be taken up after 2 weeks. He said after 2 weeks, the prayer is allowed. The concern, we have a paper book section right here. The paper book section may prepare a paper book for convenience of taking up the hearing. In that case, a little more time may be necessary. Because it may not be ready in 2 weeks, right? It's a laborious work actually. In view of the above direction regarding paper book, list the matter after 4 weeks. Okay. The whole matter will, but it will be very convenient once the paper book is made. It will be very convenient. That's what I thought last evening. Once we make it. Okay.
For
After
hearing,
after
item
4 weeks.
number 22.
Your Lordship, I appear on behalf of the petitioner. And Your Lordship, I respectfully seek for an adjournment of our matter, that is item number 22, to be listed after 3 weeks, sir.
No issues. I cannot force you, no issues. But it's a fight against cancellation of mutation order, it seems. Right? Cancellation of mutation order.
That's even I'm appearing on behalf of my senior lordship, NMC.
You are appearing for the state.
For state response.
Learned counsel appearing for the sole petitioner submits that the learned leading counsel has some difficulty today regarding the hearing and prays for taking it after. How long later you would like to be posted? After how long?
Your Lordship, after 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks? And prays for fixing it after 3 weeks. The 4 respondents, the 4 state respondents are represented by learned government. This is the matter after 4 weeks. Hmm? Supplementary?
My Lord, please.
Is done?
Yes.
I'm new to Kohima, so I'm learning. Okay.